everyone, myself Khyati Vyas from JMP English Medium Saraswati Group of Education. Today I am conducting this session for grade 6, subject SS. We are dealing with the chapter number 1 in civics, and the chapter's name is diversity. And this is my session number 1 for this chapter. So kids, you are already familiar with this word, right? You all know what is diversity. In our previous grade, we have learned regarding diversity. We have also heard the slogan, unity in diversity. Correct? India is a country where you can see unity in diversity. What does that mean? We are all united. Means we are all one. We share the bond between us, the bond of brother and sister. Correct? Yes. But are we all the same? We all have differences. Difference in language, difference in custom, difference in religion, difference in the places that we live, difference in food habits, difference in the dressings. Everything is different. But still, when we talk about our nation, we all are one. We all are Indians. Unity. But we also respect our differences. Correct? Don't we respect our differences? Yes, we do respect. Even if you look at your own family, in your family, maybe you are 4 or 5 people living together. Does everybody's thinking match to the other person? Maybe what you are thinking is quite different from what your mother is thinking. But still, you respect her thinking and she respects your thinking. So there is diversity, even amongst the people living in the same family. But you respect each other's difference and the life goes on. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the diversities that we find here in India. To start, first let us look into the vocabulary words, that is difficult words. I am going to explain them, the meaning of these words with the help of few related pictures through the PPT. So let's move on to the PPT now.
Civics, chapter number 1, diversity. Diversity. First word, replica. Replica means an exact copy or model of something. An exact copy or model of something. एक जैसे ही दिखने वाली दो अलग अलग चीज़ें होती हैं, that is known as replica. What is called? Replica. An exact copy or model of something. Next word, diversity. Diversity means the state of being diverse. Diverse matlab different. The state of being diverse. In the picture you can see many hands. All these hands, are they all similar? No. They are having different, shapes. किसी का हैंड एकदम पतला है तो किसी का एकदम मोटा है. Some are wearing full sleeve, some are wearing half sleeve, some are wearing a band in their hands, other hands are without the band, some are light, some are dark. Correct? So all these are diverse, different. The state of being diverse, that is diversity. Next, exploring. Exploring means travel through in order to learn about it. Travel through in order to learn about it. In the picture you can see some people. They are going through some way. They are walking along with their bags. Correct? Now it looks as if they have come to this place to learn about this place. So they are exploring this place. इस जगह के बारे में अलग अलग नई चीज़ें जानकारी लेने के लिए यहाँ आए हैं. So they are exploring this place. What are they doing? They are exploring this place. Next, engineers. Engineers means a person who designs, builds or maintains engines, machines or structure. ऐसे पर्सन जो अलग अलग मशीन्स, इंजन्स या स्ट्रक्चर जैसे कि हाउस है या कोई बड़ा बिल्डिंग है, ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर्स को डिज़ाइन करते हैं, बिल्ड भी करते हैं और मेंटेन मतलब उनकी देख रेख करना वो भी करते हैं. अगर वो ख़राब हो जाए तो उसे रिपेयर करने का काम भी करते हैं. सो अ पर्सन, ऐसे लोग who designs, builds or maintains engines, machines or structures, they are called engineers. What are they called? Engineers. Architect means a person who designs building and in many cases also supervises them. A person who designs building and in many cases also supervise them. ऐसा person जो buildings या आपके मकान घर होते हैं उनको डिज़ाइन करता है और वो जब कंस्ट्रक्ट होते हैं तो उनको सुपरवाइज करता है, ऐसे इंसान को आर्किटेक्ट कहते हैं. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द मीनिंग बिटवीन इंजीनियर एंड आर्किटेक्ट. इंजीनियर जो होता है वो मशीन्स भी बनाता है, मकान भी बनाता है, डिज़ाइनिंग भी करता है और अगर मशीन ख़राब हो जाए तो उसको रिपेयर का काम भी करते हैं, मेंटेनेंस का काम. बट आर्किटेक्ट जो है वो सिर्फ बिल्डिंग्स बनाते हैं, डिज़ाइंस, और जब वो बन रहे होते हैं तब उनको सुपरवाइज करने के लिए जाते हैं, उनको देखने के लिए कि सही तरह से बन रहा है या नहीं. क्लियर? Okay. Next, appreciate. Appreciate means to recognize how good someone or something is and to value him or her or it. To recognize how good someone or something is and to value him or her or it. किसी भी इंसान के अच्छे काम को रिकग्नाइज करना और उसे अप्रिशिएट करना कि नहीं, यू हैव डन अ वेल डन, वेरी गुड जॉब, बहुत अच्छा काम किया, उस तरह से किसी को रिकग्नाइज पहले तो करना चाहिए. हमें पता होना चाहिए, पता चलना चाहिए कि ये इस इंसान ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, और पता चलने के बाद उस इंसान के पास जाकर उसे अप्रिशिएट करो, उसकी वैल्यू करो, कद्र करो कि थैंक यू, यू हैव डन अ वेरी नाइस जॉब. सो उसे अप्रिशिएट करना कहते हैं. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप घर में मम्मी की कोई हेल्प करते हो विदाउट योर मॉम आस्किंग यू टू हेल्प, अगर आपकी मम्मा आपको नहीं कहती है फिर भी आप उसकी हेल्प कर देते हो तो शी अप्रिशिएट्स इट, राइट? तो वो आपको अप्रिशिएट करेगी, अरे थैंक यू वेरी मच, यू हैव डन अ वेल डन जॉब, वेरी गुड जॉब, बहुत अच्छा काम किया. सो दैट इज टू अप्रिशिएट. means to recognize how good someone or something is and to value him, her or it. Clear? Next, harmony means peacefully, बहुत शांति से. Correct? That is harmony. In the picture you can see a family. They are living so happily. Correct? They are enjoying nice time, good time with each other. So they are living in harmony. They are not fighting with each other. Okay? So that is harmony. Next, identically. Identically means in a way that is exactly the same. In a way that is exactly the same. Here in the picture you can see two kittens. They are drawn in the way exactly the same way the first one is. जो एक किटन ड्रॉ की गई है उसी तरह से एग्जैक्टली उसी तरह से दूसरी किटन को भी ड्रॉ किया गया है. सो दैट इज आइडेंटिकली. आइडेंटिकली. Sometimes even you do that at home. If your mother or father is doing something, you copy to what they are doing and do it in the same way they are doing it. That is identically. What is it? It is identically. Next, linguistic. Linguistic means relating to language. Relating to language. Now sometimes you all know that there are different languages, but there are also sign languages, body languages. So all these things which are related to language are called linguistic. What are they called? Linguistic. Next, geographical. Geographical means based on or derived from the physical features of an area. Based on or derived from the physical features of an area. Here in the picture you can see different types of physical features. There are mountains, hills, rivers, lakes, valleys. So these things which are based on physical features are called geographical. What are they called? They are called geographical. Next, Gompas. Gompas means a Tibetan monastery or temple. A Tibetan monastery or temple. तिब्बत में रहने वाले लोग उनका जो टेम्पल होता है और मोनेस्ट्री होता है उसे गोमपास कहते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड गोमपास. सो हियर वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ वोकैबुलरी. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द जनरल वीडियो लेक्चर.
Okay, I hope you understood all the words that I explained to you through PPT. Now let's move on to the chapter. This chapter is given in page number 194 in your textbooks. The chapters begin with understanding diversity. A close look at the table that you have created tells us that each of the three neighbors is different. In the beginning of the chapter they have given you a table. In that they have given 3 kids who are neighbors, and you can see something written related to each one of them, but it's different from the other person. जो एक neighbor का thinking है वो दूसरे का नहीं है. So there is diversity. They have different names. They were probably born in different cities, and they speak different languages. Yet they have something in common. They live in the same locality and each speaks at least one common language. See, for example, now you people, you are knowing at least 3 languages, I can say. You know English? Yes. You know Hindi? Yes. And you also know Gujarati. 3 languages you are aware of. Now if you go to Delhi, the people there might not be knowing Gujarati, but they can communicate with you in Hindi. And if that person is quite educated, he can also talk to you in English. So you have something common, right? So this is diversity. How much ever the differences may be, but there is something which is common. Now what is diversity? Look around yourself. Isn't your classroom a replica of the situation given above? In your classroom also, when you are sitting, what happens? The person sitting next to you is quite different. The person sitting behind you is different. The teacher in front of you is different. So it looks like that, right? That there is difference even in one single classroom. Each student in your classroom not only looks different, but also has different habits, speaks different languages, belong to different culture and religion. All these differences you can find even in your classroom. There can be many more such differences between you and your friends, right? Your favorite food, your favorite color might differ from what your friends like. So there is difference. This aspect of being different from one another is termed as diversity. Being different from one another is diversity. At the same time, some of you might be of the same age or might share the similar interest or belong to the same area. Sometimes it so happens, right? If you are best friends, the things that is your favorite might be the same as your friend's favorite things. It happens. Sometimes it also happens that two friends, they have birthdays together. Sometimes it also happens you travel in the same van in which your friend is also traveling. You live in the same area where your friend is living. So there are some things which are common. These refer to the similarity that exists between individuals. So this might be the similarities. There is no difference, that these things are similar. Despite this apparent diversity in a class, it remains a singular unit where students learn and play together. There is so many differences in the class, but still, when you are learning, you learn together. When you are playing, you play together. When you are having your lunch, you eat together. So there is something common. Now, this diversity is a way of life. You have to move with it. Without accepting these diversities and moving ahead, it will be quite difficult for you to live in this world. अगर आप इन differences को accept करके आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे और ये expect करोगे कि हर इंसान मेरी तरह ही होना चाहिए, तो क्या हो पाएगा? Is it possible? No. So you have to accept the truth that diversity is the way of life. आपको इन differences को respect करना है और उनके साथ ही आगे बढ़ना है. If you change your school, there will be diversity again. School change करनी है तो diversity changes आ जाएंगे. अगर आप जहाँ पर रहते हो उस city को अगर आपके father का transfer हो गया किसी और city में, तो वहां पर भी आपको changes दिखेंगे, उसे भी accept करना है. So it is a way of life. You have to accept it. We all love wearing different clothes each day, eating a variety of food, or exploring new places. Correct? Do we eat same type of food every day? No, we want changes, right? Same. Imagine if we had to wear same clothes every day or eat the same food for all the meals. एक जैसा खाना रोज सुबह दोपहर शाम को देंगे तो चलेगा? No, you might not like it. Or visit the same place again and again. Would we find it interesting? तो क्या मजा आएगा, इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा? लाइफ वुड इन फैक्ट बिकम बोरिंग। तब लाइफ क्या हो जाएगी? बोरिंग, नो इंटरेस्ट। मम्मा से पूछना बाद में नहीं होगा ना कि आज खाने में क्या बना है, बिकॉज एवरी डे इज द सेम मील। सुबह भी वही खाया, दोपहर को भी वही खाया, शाम को भी वही खाया। इट विल बिकम बोरिंग। Accepting diversity is a way of life. So you have to accept the differences, diversity. Each human being is different or diverse from another, as each has a different set of skills and interest. Correct? हर एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान से अलग है। क्यों है? क्योंकि एक इंसान में जो स्किल या इंटरेस्ट है, सेम टाइप ऑफ स्किल और इंटरेस्ट दूसरे में नहीं होता है। Some of you might like math, some of you might like SS, some of you might like science. There is difference in interest as well. Some people are good at painting, while others are good at writing. Some others might be good at singing. Some may choose to become lawyer, doctor, engineer, architects, while others may have the skill to become actor, painter, or writer. Diversity, right? Differences. The underlying fact is that each human being is unique. इससे हमें क्या समझ में आता है कि हर इंसान दूसरे इंसान से अलग होता है। They are unique. आप जिस तरह से हो उसी तरह का दूसरा इंसान नहीं होता है। अगर आप और आपकी सिस्टर, दो बच्चे हैं घर में, तो आपने देखा होगा कि दो बच्चे भी जो एक ही घर में रहते हैं उनमें भी इंटरेस्ट का डिफरेंस होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर दो लड़कियां हैं तो मे बी वन गर्ल, वन सिस्टर शी इज हैविंग लॉन्ग हेयर, अदर वन शी डजंट लाइक लॉन्ग हेयर एट ऑल, शी कट्स ऑफ हर हेयर, छोटे बाल पसंद है। It so happens. So, the underlying fact is that human being is unique and these differences must be appreciated. और हमें इस difference जो है दो लोगों के बीच में उसको appreciate करके, उसका respect करके आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। Diversity thus is needed to add variety to life and to make it more meaningful. इसीलिए डाइवर्सिटी होनी, डिफरेंस होनी जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर डाइवर्सिटी, डिफरेंसेस नहीं है तो लाइफ बोरिंग हो जाएगी। कुछ अलग करते हैं, कुछ नया करते हैं, व्हाट हैपेंस? लाइफ बिकम्स मोर एंड मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाएगी लाइफ। आप रोज गुजराती खाना ही खाते हो, बोर हो जाते हो। समटाइम्स यू नीड चेंज, पंजाबी खाना खाना है, पिज्जा खाना है, बर्गर खाना है। You need change, right? So this is diversity. So for today's session, I think this much is enough. Next session we will start with India, land of great diversity. So along with this video, I am sending a PDF that is homework. Please read the instructions properly and do the work. And read the chapter till where I have explained in this video. If you have liked this video, please click on the like icon. Okay? So let me take your leave now. See you in the next session. Bye.